My turn. Y is directly proportional to x squared. Y is equal to 441 when x equals 7. We need to find the equation for x and y, and we need to find y when x equals 6. So this time it's a little bit more difficult, but not too much. It's just knowing our square numbers. So when it says y is directly proportional to x squared, that just means where in our base equation we had x, we're now going to have x squared. That's the only difference. I need to remember to square my x values when I do this to make sure I'm using the right values to find my answers. Just make sure you're reading questions carefully. So I've got 441 is equal to k times 7 squared, or 441 is equal to 7 squared k, which I know is 49k. Now I simply go about dividing by 49. It doesn't go into 4, doesn't go into 44, so it actually is a straight jump up to 441. So my basic bust up might not be too helpful to me here. So the easiest way is to start thinking about 49. If I multiplied it by 10, I'd get 490. Take away one lot of 49 actually does give me 441. So my answer here is k is equal to 9. I then plug that back into my base equation as we've done before. So y equals 9x squared, remember this time. I then plug in what I know. I know x is equal to 6, so y is equal to 9 times 6 squared. Putting that in a bracket to remind me it's not 96 squared. So that is y is equal to 9 times 36. I'm not sure on my 36 times table, so I'm going to do a quick grid method down the bottom here. 36 and 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 9 times 6 is 54. I add those together. I've got 270 add 54. 4, 12, 324. If you ever need to jump out of the main workings to do maybe a multiplication or a division, that is a wonderfully valid method. Make sure you write down all your workings as well, so when you look back at these questions, you know what you were doing and where I got 324 from. Pause the video here and have a go at the next set of questions. So, your turn. Y is directly proportional to x squared again. This symbol just means proportional. So y is equal to kx squared. Y is equal to k times 6 squared. 36 is equal to k times 6 squared. This time you'll notice I get 36 is equal to k times 36. So k actually just equals 1 in this case. So it isn't actually a needed constant. You could write it as y equals 1x squared, or just as y equals x squared. Now, I know for part B, I've got y is equal to x squared. Y is 4, 4 is equal to x squared. This is a nice simple one. However, if you weren't sure, you then square root 4 to give you x. Square root of 4 is actually 2, so 2 equals x. Use these examples to answer the next set of questions.